These are the items that I saw that were on sale at Carrefour. This is Epicure white marzipan. This is organic goji berries. This is a snack from Japan. This is a chili garlic. And this one is a salt pepper snack. And this one is a hazel and almond dark chocolate from Rogue. So these are the items that we will be trying out, and I will let you know how these items taste. Hi friends, today we're going to try some of the snacks that I saw that were on sale in Carrefour. So we'll start off with this Epicure white marzipan. So we'll open it and see how it looks inside and how it tastes. It's so soft. I could touch it, the softness from the wrapper. So we'll try to open it up. Okay, that's an opening. So this is what you see inside. It looks like a soap. Oh, it's a huge piece, like a whole slab of marzipan. So we'll get a small piece and try it. So this is how it looks inside. We'll try it. It's sweet, it tastes nutty, and there's a different texture inside, a little bit crunchy also, but the dominant taste is really that of the sweetness of the marzipan. So now we'll try this Kari premium Japanese premium snacks. Okay, this is the chili flavor. It says here that it is the crunchiest and there's no trans fat and it's roasted, this one. So this is the chili garlic flavor. We'll try it. We'll open it. See what's inside. There's some nuts and some small biscuits or chips. We'll try this one. It's really crunchy and spicy. And there's also a garlic taste in that one. Let's try the nuts. The nuts is also spicy and it's still crunchy. I don't know if you can hear the crunch from the bites that I'm taking from this biscuits. It's really very crunchy and really very spicy. Next we'll try this one from the same company, but this time this is salt pepper flavor. So we'll try it. It has the same contents, some nuts and some biscuits like this. It's also crunchy. It's also spicy, but not as spicy as the garlic spicy flavor. It's really a good snack. And there's also peanuts. So the peanuts and the biscuits, the small biscuits, are both crunchy. So those snacks came from Japan, actually. Oh, sorry, this is a product of India. But these are Japanese premium snacks. So they are both good. but the garlic spicy, the garlic chili one is more spicy than the salt pepper flavor. So next we'll try this goji berries. This is an organic goji berry. I'm not sure if we have this in the Philippines, so we'll try it out. And I know this is healthy because it's organic and it's a goji berry. I don't know what goji berry does, but berries usually are good antioxidants. So we'll try this out. So we'll open it. So this is how it looks like. It's like raisins, but it's a little bit longer than raisins, and it's color red. It's a little sweet. And it's chewy also. It's a little bit bitter also, but it's more sweet than bitter. It's okay. If it's nutritious, then why not? Last but not the least, we'll try this Rogue chocolate clusters. So I really kept it at the end because I might be having a difficult time with the spice from this Japanese snacks. So I kept this in the end. So we'll open it. Inside there are pieces of this chocolate. I don't know how much because it's really full. So maybe around 25 to 30 pieces. I'm not sure. So it looks like this at the back, and this is how it looks in front. We'll open it up. So this is how it looks. It's a circle with nuts. I'm not sure which kind of nuts it is. It's dark chocolate and the nuts is still crunchy. It's hazelnut and almond. It's creamy also, and slightly chewy from the chocolate. This really had a strong dark chocolate taste, and the almond and hazelnut were crispy and crunchy, and the dark chocolate was chewy. So the overall combination was a good one. So if you ever find these products in Carrefour where I bought them, do try them out because it's good. So even those spicy Japanese premium snacks were also good for me. It was spicy, but I was able to tolerate it, and it was flavorful also. And goji berries, well, something new to try. At least I know how a goji berry tastes now. So I hope you liked our video for today. If you liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I will have a new upload. So until my next video, this has been Lorraine reminding you that God loves you. Bye-bye!